Hello again, and congratulations, you made it through. I'm so proud of you. I hope that you really gained a lot of great information and that you're excited to take just more than a few of these tips and put them into work in your business. I'm looking forward to seeing you flourish and hearing all about your success stories as how you've used my tips and then brought them into your own business. So if you look in the resources section, you'll see the PDFs to all the documents that I've talked about. They are yours to use and change and share and make thrive in your business. So what did we cover? We covered how to make what you're worth and set yourself apart. So I hope this has given you the confidence to price yourself where you need to be, and not just out of building your own confidence, but of knowing the difference between a commodity and a diversified product, and understanding that your service is indeed a diversified product. We also talked about how to get expertise and keep your clients safe. So I hope you learned more, and you're definitely more knowledgeable in the contraindications to this type of massage, and you have some ideas on other classes that you can take to give yourself even more expertise. Investing in yourself in this career is necessary, and it's a beautiful way to deliver more quality sessions to your clients. We talked about how to build a brand and let clients find you. I hope this has given you a lot of ideas, and I definitely love to know where you are on social media so I can follow you and like you and thumbs up your posts and comment on them and just support you however I can. And then we looked at how to take that first step in the quick start guide, and I hope that just like having it all in a check-off list really helped you to kind of boost you're putting into action what we learned in this class. So I really put this class together because when I first got out of massage school, like I said earlier, I had just a job that was paying not enough for me to pay off my bills. I knew at that point that I was just learning in order to be able to stand on my own feet at some point. So when I started my business and I could really do my business by myself and have enough clients coming in, I remember in the first year I was still a little scared. Like, is this all going to implode at some point? Am I really going to be able to, make enough to pay my bills, to put money into reserves, and to put money into the 401k, and to really support myself? Am I really going to be successful at this? And I can absolutely say, absolutely yes. The things that I have shared with you during this course, they work for me. I was able to last year in December, I took the whole month off. I went on a vacation. We went to visit my husband's family in India. I ended up spending a week in Malaysia. And when I came back, I started the business again. I started the same tips and tricks and different ways to get on social media that I'd shared with you. And I was able to bring clients back in, new clients, fresh clients, new plastic surgeries, and build upon the solid foundation that I built with the social media in 2019 to be able to start my business again in 2020. And this is not the only time it's happened. I was able to take 2 weeks off to go to conferences and travel overseas to the UK and speak at a conference last spring, 2019 in spring, and come back, and I had a steady stream of clients. So both times I was able to take time to do what was important and then come back. And then even in a time of emergency, a few years ago, my uncle died suddenly, and I had to fly back to Boston for the funeral, and I had to take those days off and cancel. It was a few days, so I shuffled around a few of my clients and had to cancel a few clients. But I knew that I could take the time to be there for my family in an emergency situation and not lose my business because of the solid foundation that I had built using the tips and tricks that I gave you. So that's really my big thing. This is what I'm really happy to give to you, is this information that can help you build this business that can feed you. It can feed your family. It can support you. And it can be a business that you don't have to be the employee clocking in and clocking out and hoping that someday you'll get a day off. I want it to be a flexible business that you can use and work within to support your goals. And if you need the time off, that you know, I can take the time off. I can be a resource for my family. And at the same time, when I need to come back to the business, I can trust that it will be there and provide for me again. So I am so happy that I was able to share my information, my knowledge, what I have learned from working in this career for a few years, and to share it with you. And I hope it pays off for you and gives you the career that you want, you dream for, and you deserve. All right, have a great day.